Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to easily edit your About section on WhatsApp Web using your PC. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open WhatsApp Web. You can access WhatsApp Web by opening your web browser and visiting web.whatsapp.com. Scan the QR code with your phone to log in. Step 2. Click on your profile picture. Located in the top left corner of the screen, your profile picture is your gateway to accessing your account settings. Step 3. Click Edit. This will allow you to make changes to your About section, where you can add or update your personal status or information. Now you have the power to customize your About section on WhatsApp Web and let your contacts know a little more about you. Remember, your About section is a great way to showcase your personality or share important information with your contacts. That's it for today's tutorial on how to edit your About section on WhatsApp Web using your PC.